Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today in our video it is a baking tutorial video. So it is a very simple and quick video on how to make your own buttermilk. If you are running out of buttermilk to be bought from the store, this would be an easy option for you to make your own buttermilk in the home. So to begin with, I have half a cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. I am using the concentrated lemon juice. You can use a fresh cut lemon juice as well. So first of all, this is a cold milk, so we need to warm this up. Half a cup of milk I'm going to heat up on my microwave for 1 minute. So we'll be back once the milk is warmed up. Dear viewers, the milk has been warmed up for 1 minute in the microwave, and with the 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, we are going to just add them into it and leave it for 10 minutes. And just leave them for 10 minutes and we'll be back to see how it turns out. Hello viewers, it has been 10 minutes. The buttermilk has been left as it is. So now I'm going to use a spoon to mix it up. And perfectly the buttermilk has curdled. And this is what we want for our buttermilk. And so let's get started with our next to see what we can do in our next videos. And thank you very much for joining us in this video. And so this is one of the way that if you are running out of buttermilk or the store has out of stock, you can make yourself at home. So thank you for watching with me, and for those who are new, please subscribe, and for those who are been with me, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.